What's poppin'? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and if this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on today's video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is TikTok and Instagram, and if you want to be updated with me, you can follow me on TikTok. So someone commented on my how to matte nails without actually having a matte top coat, and the person asked, can you do this with regular polish? So guess what?
Like, oh, say less.
I'll be putting that to the test today. So today I'll be using regular polishes. I'll be using, I don't know if I want all three colors or if I'm going with one. I don't know. So that's what I'll be doing today. So first things first, I'll be going in with my quick dry top coat, just to add 2 layers on each nails because I won't be keeping on these nails for too long, sis. So I'll be using top coat, a nice moderate amount of top coat on each of these nails. So this acts as a peel off base coat. So this is a top coat. It dries fairly quickly, and I will add 2 layers. So now that the top coat is dry, we're going to get our nails. So I already have all my nails. So yeah, I think these are hard. I'm going to apply each nail. So this is the thumb. Put a little in there. Oh, that's not a little. And then I'm going to apply. So I'm going in with my file. So I'll go in and shape it up a little bit. And I will now gently go over each of these nails, etching them out. Now I'll take my buffing block and go over the nails. Just smooth them out. These are how they're looking. Ready to be polished. Okay, so now I'm going in with the colors. So I'm going to take green. This is neon green on the thumb, very thin. Take the orange. And I'll go in the green again. So now I'll do the second coat. clean around each nail with acetone. And now we'll wait for 30 minutes. 100 ways of why I shouldn't wear nail polishes. That is one. You look closely. So anyways, I'm going back in with the top coat, the quick dry top coat, and give it a thin layer and a moderate layer. I don't got the time tonight to fix it, so I'm not gonna fix it. Maybe some other time. But these are how they're looking. Cute. But okay guys, so I waited for like 10 to 15 minutes and I went over the nail with this very soft. So the top coat is dry, so I don't know, you know, with nail polish you really can't trust it, yeah, so you don't know if it's dried completely. So I'm lightly going over the nail. It's working. Let's see if it actually works. Now that I can, you know, these are how the nails are looking after I buff, you know, to what I actually can buff to. If you look carefully on this nail, like if you guys going to do what I'm doing, just apply the top coat a little bit more. The top coat is coming off. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. So these are how the nails are looking. So I'm going in with some rubbing alcohol. So instead of acetone, because you know acetone is going to remove everything, I'm going in with some alcohol. So this is a true test. This is a true test. So we're going on the thumb. I'm not quite sure. Let me know down below if you guys think that it mattes. And subscribe. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about these nails. I think they're matte in their own ways. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. I don't know. Let me know down below if they do actually work for you guys, or you think it worked, or you think it actually matte. But it somewhat is matte. It doesn't feel matte, but because the surface shine is gone now, it looks matte. So yeah. So I'll recommend you getting a top coat matte for nail polishes. I don't know. Yeah. So these are how the nails are looking. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you like how these nails look, and if you guys would attempt